Welcome. In this lesson we will work through an ielts writing task 1, step by step, from reading the data to a full model answer. Here is the task. The table shows how many universities from 5 countries appeared in the global top 200 in 2011, across 3 subjects. We must give an overview, describe the key details, and make comparisons. Take a moment to read the table. 5 countries: the USA, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. 3 subjects: biology, medicine and psychology. Every figure is a count of top 200 universities. Task 1 has a fixed shape. First, paraphrase the question in your own words, then an overview, giving the 2 or 3 biggest patterns, with no detailed numbers. After that, 2 body paragraphs that group the data and back it up with figures. There is no opinion and no conclusion. You simply report what you see. Now let us find what stands out. On the amber side, the big picture features that belong in the overview. The USA leads every subject by a wide margin. New Zealand is the lowest everywhere, and biology attracts the most top universities overall, while medicine has the fewest. On the teal side, the details for our body paragraphs. The UK is a clear but distant second. Australia and Canada are close, with Australia slightly ahead. And for the 3 smaller countries, psychology is the strongest subject, which reverses the pattern of the 2 leaders. Here is the plan. Paragraph 1, the introduction, paraphrases the table. Paragraph 2, the overview, gives only the biggest patterns. Body 1 covers the 2 leaders, the USA and the UK. Body 2 covers Australia, New Zealand and Canada. 4 paragraphs, and we are done. Paragraph 1, the introduction. The table compares 5 countries in terms of how many of their universities ranked among the world's leading 200 in 2011, across 3 fields of study: biology, medicine and psychology. Paragraph 2, the overview. Overall, the United States had by far the largest number of top-ranked universities in every subject, whereas New Zealand had the fewest throughout. It is also clear that biology tended to attract the most highly ranked institutions, while medicine generally had the fewest. Notice there are no small numbers here, just the big picture. Body paragraph 1, the 2 leaders. The United States led comfortably in all 3 areas, placing 69 universities among the elite for biology, 58 for psychology and 54 for medicine. The United Kingdom ranked second in every field, though its totals were far lower, with 30 universities in biology, 29 in psychology and 24 in medicine. In both countries, biology was the strongest field and medicine the weakest. Body paragraph 2, the smaller 3. The 3 remaining nations recorded considerably smaller figures. Australia and Canada were broadly similar, each with 9 top-ranked universities in biology, although Australia slightly outperformed Canada in medicine and psychology, with 13 and 17 against 12 and 14. New Zealand ranked lowest, managing only 6 universities in biology, 4 in psychology and just 2 in medicine. Notably, unlike the 2 frontrunners, all 3 of these countries had more leading universities in psychology than in either other subject. Why does this reach band 9? Task achievement. A clear overview, all the key features, and accurate figures. Coherence. A logical grouping, the leaders first, then the rest. Lexical resource. Precise words like ranked, placed, outperformed and frontrunners. And grammar. Complex sentences and comparatives used accurately. One honest note. Band 9 here is an internal writing quality assessment against the public ielts descriptors, not a certified examiner score. Now it is your turn. Remember, overview first, group the data, and support every group with figures. Thanks for watching and good luck.